Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add bullet points in Google Slides. And even though it sounds super basic, there are a bunch of small things that people forget about. So yeah, let's just get started. First thing, open the slide you want to work on and click the text box where the bullet points should go. If your slide doesn't have a text box yet, no worries, just insert one from the toolbar. It takes a second and it keeps everything lined up nicely. And, doing that first saves you from weird formatting issues later. Now, once that text box is ready, look at the top toolbar. You'll see a little bullet list icon. Just click it, and instantly your text switches into bullet points. If you already typed something, it turns that text into a list. If you haven't typed anything yet, the cursor basically waits for you to start the first bullet. Super simple. Whenever you want to add another bullet, just press Enter. Google Slides automatically creates the next bullet line for you. You don't have to set anything up again. And yeah, you can keep pressing Enter for as many bullet points as you need. If you want to break a line inside the same bullet, hold Shift and press Enter so it doesn't create a new bullet. If you want a sub-bullet, press Tab on your keyboard. That will indent the text and turn it into a smaller nested bullet. And if you change your mind or you tabbed one too many times, press Shift plus Tab to move the bullet back out. It's kind of like building an outline, and it's super useful for organizing long ideas or steps. You can also customize how your bullets look. Go to the Format menu, choose Bullets and Numbering, and you'll get a whole list of styles: circles, dashes, numbers, symbols, all of that. Pick whatever matches the theme of your presentation. And if you want even more control, click the More Options area to adjust spacing or switch icons. One thing people forget is that bullets follow your text settings. So if you change the font, color, or size, the bullets change too. That makes it really easy to match your slide design without editing each bullet individually. You can also adjust line spacing if your bullets look too tight or too spread out. And that's basically everything you need to know about adding and customizing bullet points in Google Slides. It's quick, it's clean, and once you use the shortcuts a few times, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and yeah, hope this helped.